you all to the miraculous material of this generation and the future generation as well. When my chemistry teacher took the name of the buckyball, we were fascinated by the word and its structure too. Upon browsing the word, we were pulled into the world of nanotechnology. Its limitless potential and its uses made us to feel that yes, this miraculous material can change our future.
Nanotubes are the crystalline form of carbon with cylindrical hexagonal atom. These are nothing but rolled-up sheets of graphite. These are minute to the nano level and has one atom thickness. The cylindrical structure can be single-layered. As you can see, this is single layer. This is called single-wall nanotube, and here this is the multi-layered, called as multi-wall nanotube.
As my friend said, nanotubes are nothing but rolled upon sheets of graphene. Graphenes are actually extracted from graphite. It was discovered in 2004. It contributes to the science to the maximum. And they are the hardest substance on earth right now. To give you an analogy, if you make if an elephant is standing on tip of pencil and the tip is kept on one layer of graphene, which is of the nano size, even the bond between the graphene atoms does not break. Because of its bond, the bond, you can see the angle of the bond where it holds the bond very well, and it does not leave it, and it is more flexible and it can be spreaded to the more.
Nanotubes have the properties which no other material can achieve. So it is an exceptional material. What makes it interesting is that its limitless potential and its uses possessed due to its structure, which is hexagonal structure. They have striking remarkable properties like they are the strongest. They are 200 to 300 times stronger than the steel. Second is that they are the hardest. When we consider about the recent time, firstly, diamond was considered as the hardest material. But now, according to the recent researchers, nanotubes are considered as the hardest material. Third point is that they are the thinnest. They are thinnest to one atom thickness. Fourth one, they are the lightest, which means that they are easily carryable. Fifth one is they are highly tensile. Highly tensile is nothing but the capacity to handle high amount of stress. So you can say that they are highly tensile. Next is that they are elastic, which means that they can be stretched easily. When we talk about the transparent materials, the transparent materials usually allow light, but in this case, nanotubes are transparent, but it absorbs the light. When we talk about its conductivity, it's the best conductor of heat and electricity. It is impermeable to all gases and liquids except water, which means that they do not allow gases and liquids except water.
Nanotubes have wide scope for application. This is used in computer chips, solar panels, and nanosensors also detect cancer